Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in North Maharashtra University in BE in a mechanical branch and with the CGPA of 6.68 CGPA, and today's date is 31st December 2021, and today's topic is string buffer class. What is the string buffer class? String buffer class is nothing but it is used to create a mutable and modifiable string object. The string buffer class in Java is the same as the string class except is mutable. It can be changed in a constructor description like a string buffer class and bracket. It is create an empty string buffer within initialization capacity of 16. String buffer can be initialization by the string buffer bracket string str. It is created as a string buffer with specified string. String buffer can its capacity it can be denoted as a string buffer in bracket int capacity. It create empty string buffer with specified capacity as length. First, we can see the string buffer class append method. By append method, the append method concentrate the given argument with the string. Second one, the string buffer insert method. The string method insert method can be given string the given position. We can add the in the string with the help of position. We can add the and string buffer with the replace method. We can replace the member of the string with the replace method by specified the begin index and end index. String buffer having also delete method. The delete method of the string buffer class delete the string from the specific begin index from end index. It can be iteration from the we can use the value of begin index and the end index. String buffer capacity method. It can be string buffer capacity method can be class return the class capacity of the buffer. The default capacity of the string buffer, as we know, is it is 16. It can be if the number character increase from its current capacity, it increase by the capacity by the old capacity into 2 plus 2. For example, you can your current capacity is 16. It will be after that 16 into 2 and plus 2 is equal to 34. Java string buffer string second one is Java string builder class. It is used to create mutable modifiable string to in a Java builder class is same as a string buffer class except in a synchronized. It can be available since JDK 1.5, and since JDK 1.5 we can use a string buffer. Important construction of string builder class construct describe as a same as a string buffer class. We can simply write a note string builder and bracket, and it's also capacity of 16, and also initialization of the string builder class is string builder with a string str, and we can find the string length of the string buffer is string builder length. Difference between the string buffer and string builder. There are the Java provides the three classes to represent a sequence of the character: string buffer, and string builder. The string class is immutable class, whereas the string buffer and string builder classes are mutable. There are many differences between the string buffer and string builder. The string builder class is introduced since JDK 1.5. Number of string buffers. The string buffers is first one is a string buffer is a synchronized thread shape. It means two threads can't call the method of the string buffer simultaneously. String builder is a non-synchronized, that is not thread shape. It means two thread can call the method of string builder simultaneously. The string buffer we can choose the second point. The string buffer is less efficient than string builder. The string builder is not is a more efficient than string buffer. String buffer also, when we see the third point of the string buffer, it is introduced in a Java 1.0 and string builder was introduced in a Java 1.5. As we seen before, the string builder is a implementation of the string buffer. Thank you.